This is the second part of the battery-powered Commodore 64 video. I received my NE555 timer module, which is installed here, which generates the TOD clock for Commodore 64. It's been running for about 10 minutes, and this is the actual time, and this is the Commodore 64 time. In 10 minutes it fell about 4 or 5 seconds behind, so it's not very accurate, but it's still useful for Commodore 64 software which uses it. It's something interesting I would like to show you. If I change the jumper setting from 50 Hz to 1 kHz, that is what happens. It goes crazy.